Introducing Someday videos. Entering into 2026, my vision / challenge for the year is to continue to grow creatively and continue to step out of my comfort zone. The idea is basically just all the things that come to mind and we think, oh, that would be, so neat to do, and I'm going to do that someday. And then day-to-day life is busy, time flies, a year goes by or several years go by, and you just realize you don't do those things that you think you're going to do someday. So I'm thinking, what better way to actually start doing some of these things and to grow my skill set in editing and videography than to create videos of doing these things that I want to do someday. For a while, I've been making a list of things that I have just either been wanting to do for a long time or just think that would be so neat to be able to do that someday. The goal of the Someday series is to actually start doing some of these things that I want to do someday and create them into videos. Some of these things are just things I'll be doing by myself, things that I just want to learn personally. Some of them are family oriented, maybe a trip that I want my family to go on. And then creating these activities into videos will just add an extra layer of fun, creativity, a challenge, and I am really excited to see how these are going to turn out. Stay tuned.